Going upstairs. Step up with the stronger leg first, then the weaker leg and the king together. Going downstairs. Place the king down first, then move the weaker leg, followed by the stronger leg. Sitting down. Back up until the chair touches the legs. Hold the chair with one hand and the king with the other. Then slowly lower down. For standing up, push up the chair with one hand while holding the king in the other. Proper walker position. Hold the walker with both hands. Keep your elbows slightly flexed and stand upright inside the walker. Walking on a flat surface. Lift or push the walker one step forward, making sure all four legs are stable on the ground. Step forward with the weaker leg first into the walker, then bring the stronger leg forward. For sitting down, back up until you feel the chair against your legs. Reach for the chair with one hand at a time, then slowly lower yourself into sitting. For standing up, push up from the chair using your hands first, not the walker. Once standing and balance, grasp the walker handles.